Hey guys, welcome back to Techie Hub. So today is our C programming lesson 2. In this video, we are going to see about operators in C programming. Okay, so there are six types. First one is arithmetic operator, assignment operator, relational operator, logical operator, conditional operator, and bitwise operator. Okay, so let's start with arithmetic operator. This is the first operator in C programming. In this, we have addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, and modulus. Okay. In addition, we will add two, as you guys know, we will add two values. In subtraction, we will subtract two values. In multiplication, we will multiply two values. In division, we will divide two values, which gives the quotient. Okay. In division and in modulus, it gives the remainder value. Okay. So, example program hashtag include header file section. So into the function section, we introduce two variables. Let a is equal to 3 and b is equal to 4. Okay. So in printf, we are going to print sum and the value. So here at the place of value, we have to get the value of a and a plus b. That is the sum of a and b. Okay. So we wrote a plus b here, which replaces the value percentage d. Okay. So the second type of operator, assignment operator. This is like arithmetic operator but with slight modification. Okay. So this includes plus equal to, minus equal to, product equal to, dividend equal to, modulo equal to. Okay. So example code, I will explain it in this. I will explain it in this program. So first hashtag include, this is header file section which is common for all the program. And into the main function, we introduce the same variables with the same value. A is equal to 3 and b is equal to 4. So we are going to print assignment sum as the text and the value a plus equal to b. What is a plus is equal to b? So a is equal to a plus b, which means the sum of a and b is stored again into a. Okay. So what is the sum of a and b? Here a is equal to 3 and b is equal to 4. So the sum of a and b is 7. So the updated value of a is 7. Now a is equal to 7. Okay. This is the updated value. This is assignment sum. So let's move on with relational operator. In this operator, there are 6 kinds. Okay. Less than or equal to, greater than or equal to, not equal to. Okay. So in C program, if a relation is true, we will get 1 as the output, and if it is false, we'll get 0 as the output. This is the logic in C programming. Okay. So to the example program, this is header file section, and into the main function section, we'll have the same value with same variable. A is equal to 3 and b is equal to 4. In printf, we are going to get the value. Okay. So here the relation is a greater than b. So what is the value of a? A is equal to 3. A is equal to 3 and b is equal to 4. So 3 greater than 4? Obviously not, it is false. So we'll get the output as 0. Okay. So the fourth operator, logical operator. In this, we have 3 kinds. Okay. And, or, and not. We will relate 2 relational operator using this logical operator. Okay. So to the example program, first header file section and to the main function section, we have a is equal to 3 and b is equal to 4, and we are printing the value. As I said earlier in the relation operator, if the value is true, we will get 1. If the value is false, we will get 0. So here, first relational operator and second relational operator is combined using this logical operator. Okay, did you get that? So now to know what the output will be, you have to learn a table. Okay, for this table. Okay, so in AND operator, if both the values are true, then we will get the output as true. If either one of the values is false, we will get output as 0. That is false. In OR operator, if either one of the value is true, then the output will be true. If both are false, then the output is false. Okay. In NOT operator, it reverses the output. Like if we get the true, it shows false. If it is false, then it shows as true. Conditional operator. or fifth operator in this question mark. Okay. So this operator is used to assign a value to a new value with the given values. Let me clear it. To assign a value to a new variable with two already given values. Okay. Example program. Hashtag include stdi input output dot h is header file section, and this is main function section. In this we have declared two values, a is equal to 3 and b is equal to 4, and a new variable is introduced here, that is int c. So this relation is compiled by the compiler. Okay. So if the value is true, the first value, that is value of a, is assigned to c. If the relation is false, the second value is assigned to the value of c. So in the example, a greater than b, which is obviously false since 3 is less than 4. So the relation is false. Hence, the value of b is assigned to c. If the relation is true, the first value, that is the value of a, is assigned to c. How did you get it? So here we will get the output as 4. That's it. Let's move on to another operator. So our next operator is bitwise operator. I will drop a separate video for this operator, which is kind of vast topic. So in this section, we will just have a glance on it. So in this operator, there are 5 kinds: and, or, not, left shift, and right shift. Okay. I will upload a separate video for this operator. So let's see this thing in our next video. So next thing is scanf. What is scanf? We are dropping the values into the code, but from now on, we are using the scanf. This scanf gets the value from the user, that is from by the user the value is dropped in. Okay. So here int a comma b, that is a and b are declared as integer but not the exact values. Through scanf we are getting these values. Okay. Through scanf we are getting these values while compilation or running. Okay. So in scanf, we are getting the value. Since a is integer, we are using %d as format specifier and a here. Okay. This and a is nothing but address of a. That means the value we entered is to be stored at the address of a. Okay. And for b, since b is also an integer, so we are using %d, and the value entered here is stored in the address of b. So now printing these values with %d for a and %d for b separated by comma, printing these values. Okay. These two lines get the value for a and b. Okay. So now we are printing the value of these two variables. Okay. First %d for a, second %d for b within double quotes.
Please do
Two
subscribe
values are
and support us.
separated by a
Thank you
comma
for watching.
and
Thank
return
you.
0. The code is over.